Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Coolify versus Dokku versus Dokploy. Best application deployment tool. Choosing between these three really comes down to your workflow and preferences, because each tool shines in different ways. Coolify is a sleek self-hosted platform as a service with a gorgeous dashboard, Git-based deployments, database support, and easy cloud integrations. Perfect for freelancers and devs who love visuals. Dokku, on the other hand, is a minimalist open source PaaS that turns any VPs into a Heroku-like setup. It's lightweight, flexible, and powered by simple Git push deploys, but it's CLI only and better suited for developers who are comfortable with Linux. Finally, Dokku focuses on automation and modern CI/CD workflows. It's lightweight, fast, and developer friendly, newer with a smaller ecosystem. So here's the takeaway. If you want a polished UI and scalability, go with Coolify. If you prefer bare bones control and minimal overhead, Dokku is your friend. And if automation and DevOps workflows are your priority, Dokploy is the one to beat. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.